Good morning, students. How are you? I think you all are fine. So, students, let me ask you some questions. Have you ever visited the zoo? The zoo, you know very well. Yes, anybody can answer. A zoo is a place where the animals, the birds, they live in the natural environment, where the birds and the animals live in their natural environment, or you can say it is a small world of the animals and birds. As they live in jungle freely, in the same way they can live in the zoo freely, without any fear, without the fear of hunting, without the fear of any human being. They can live there and they can enjoy there. So a zoo is a place where birds and animals live. So today we are going to discuss a paragraph on the topic a visit to a zoo. I think you all have must visited the zoo once or twice, and the zoo that is near to our cities, that is in Delhi. And there are many birds and many animals. Water birds are also there. So we have to write all these things that we have visited the zoo and the things that we have seen there. This is the paragraph about a visit to a zoo. Okay, so let us see what I have written for you people. See, first of all, I have written that what is the meaning of zoo is, what is the place? Zoo is a place. So a zoo is a place where many birds and animals live. They live in the closed areas of the zoo, and the visitors can see the animals from the outside of the species. Yes, it is also very much true that in the zoo we can go there. We are the visitors, because if we want to visit the place, then we are visitors. So we can visit the zoo and we can see all the birds and all the animals from a far distance, not by touching or like that, going near to them. It is very dangerous. So we can see all the birds and all the animals from the distance. So in the first para I have written this. A zoo is a place where many birds and animals live. They live in the closed areas of the zoo, and the visitors can see the animals from the outside of the spaces. Now the topic is a visit to a zoo, means we have to tell about any visit also. In the first para we have told only that what is a zoo. Now we have to discuss about the visit. So we can say that last month I visited the zoo with my parents, because as you all are children, you cannot go alone, so you can go with the parents only. So last month I visited the zoo with my parents and we went to Delhi. We bought tickets and went in. So it is very much necessary that we have to purchase the tickets. We have to buy the tickets. Only then the entry is allowed. So we purchased the tickets, we bought the tickets and went in. It was situated in a large area, and you know very well that the zoo in Delhi is a very big place, open area, fresh air, and a large area is there. So it was situated in the large area. First of all, we saw the birds. You know very well that the entry is there. The entry is started with the birds. There are many type of birds. Crows are there, parrots are there, and many different type of small birds are also there that cannot be seen easily near our houses. Such type of birds are there, and especially different type of parrots are there. So many birds are there, and we can see them, we can enjoy their sight. So there were many birds, and there were the birds like parrots. See the next page. Yes. So there were many parrots, peacocks, crows, pigeons, ducks. Means many birds were there. And there were also the water birds. Yes, the water birds are also there like ducks, swans. They enjoy in water. Near the passage the water is there, and the birds they enjoy there. Especially the water birds, ducks, swans, etc. are there, and they enjoy there. So they were enjoying in the water. After that we enter the animal section. Animals are also there. Different parts are there. First birds, then after that animals come, and then animals, first of all, I think there are the animals. When we saw the animals, we got a sense of thrill and excitement. Means a feeling of thrilling excitement was there, because many animals were there and we have not seen them by now live. We have seen them on TV many times, but as we were in the zoo and we saw them live there in front of our eyes, they were there. So when we saw the animals, we got a sense of thrill and excitement. First of all, we saw monkeys. Monkeys were there and they were chattering, and they were making so much noise, and they were jumping on the trees here and there. Then we saw next the deer, tigers, lion, the rhinos. They were enjoying in water. The crocodiles were also there. Means many animals name you can write as I have written. So you can add more animals here. And when it's very much natural, when we are moving here and there, and we must got tired also. So soon we got tired because we were standing for a lot of time, and after that we took rest for some time, and after taking rest we came back home in the evening. So it was a very nice visit. I enjoyed a lot. Means it was a very nice visit. I enjoyed a lot. It was a memorable visit, you can say. A very fine visit, you can say. So this is the paragraph, a visit to a zoo. If you want to add your points, you can add your points also. It is not necessary the same that we have written you have to cram. You can add your points, but they should be correct. The point should be correct. You can add your points also. Okay, so all the students will write this topic, this paragraph in their notebook. I think some students may have done, but if by chance some are left, then they have to do, and you have to learn this also. So it's bye for today. Tomorrow we shall discuss the applications writing. Okay, bye students.